us now discuss about a short butterfly strategy. Now by the word short butterfly strategy, we know what we have to do. Since the word is short, we have to sell the side strikes of a butterfly and purchase the middle strike to create this. Okay, so let's have a look at a call example. Since it's a short, so we do a C minus at 5900 and we do a C minus at 6100 and purchase two call options of the middle strike price, that is 6000. Okay, let us have a look at the payoffs. These are the different spot prices. So C minus at 5900, premium at 160. Call option will get lapsed at 5900 or below, giving a fixed profit of 5900. Thereafter it starts incurring a loss. We have purchased two call options at 6000 levels. So 6000 and below the call option lapses, above which the call option starts giving us profit. So at 6100 this particular option break evens, and above which it starts giving us profit. And at 6100 level we can see we have sold a call option. So again 6100 and below this call option will get lapsed, giving a 50 rupees constant profit. Okay, above 6100 this option will get exercised and will start giving us a loss. So 6150 it breaks even, above which it starts giving a loss. So if we sum up all these three trades, we get a total profit and loss like this. Okay, so this is the maximum profit from the strategy generated, 10 rupees, and if the market is range bound, it gives a maximum loss of minus 90. Okay, what was the initial outflow or inflow from the strategy? Let's have a look. We had purchased two options at 100 rupees each, so 200 rupees was our outflow and 210 was our inflow by selling the calls. So there was an initial inflow of 10 rupees from this strategy. Okay, let us look at the payoff diagram. So over here we are now doing a short call butterfly strategy where we sell the side strikes. So we are selling 4900 and 5100 call options and we purchase two call options at 5000. These are the different premium. So we can see that we have a limited profit if the price is volatile and goes above the range of the strike prices. If the prices remain in the range, this strategy will give a loss. Okay, now I had earlier said that whether we want to do a long butterfly or a short butterfly, we can create it either with calls or puts. So if I just change it to put option, we can see that the payoff diagram is exactly same. Am I clear? Thank you.